Did you know that embracing your feminine energy can boost your creativity and intuition? Research shows that tapping into these traits can lead to greater happiness and fulfillment in life. Today, I'll share with you some simple yet powerful practices that will help you tap into your feminine energy and create a more joyful life. Hey fam, welcome back to Relationship Realities, where we dive headfirst into life's big questions with a splash of humor and a dash of inspiration. Now, we hear a lot about being true to yourself, but what does that really mean? Especially for us women. For me, it's about tapping into my feminine essence, something society often asks us to dial down. We're told to be tougher, to hide our emotions, basically, be as stoic as a rock. But when we do that, we're shoving aside the very traits that make us fabulously unique and powerful. Let's face it, societal expectations can feel like trying to fit a round peg into a square hole. We're often in a relentless loop of pleasing others, and before we know it, we're stuck on a hamster wheel of stresses and burnout. Can I get a been there, done that? But here's the kicker. Embracing our feminine power means embracing our emotions, intuition, and creativity. And guess what? We don't need anyone's stamp of approval to do it. When we tune into our intuition, we tap into a wisdom that guides us to our best selves. It's like having a GPS for the soul. Mine is the rerouting when we take the wrong exit. I have never done that. Empathy. Empathy, my friends, is another superpower we possess. Connecting with others on a deeper level lets us see beyond the facade and build relationships that are more than just Facebook deep. And when it comes to creativity, oh boy, it's our chance to unleash a whirlwind of innovation and passion. Let me get personal for a second. A few years back, I was trapped in a job that felt like quicksand. But when I started to embrace my feminine power, listening to my gut, trusting my instincts, and unleashing my creativity, everything changed. My world went from grayscale to technicolor. Looking back, I realized that embracing my feminine energy was the game changer that I needed. It transformed my life, and I'm here to shout it from the rooftops. We all have this power within us. So I'm throwing down the gauntlet. Who's ready to join me in embracing their feminine power? Let's ditch the need for validation, social media, trust ourselves, and live authentically. Share your stories and experiences in the comments. I want to hear all about your journey. Thanks for tuning in, fam. If you're thirsty for more empowering content, check out my other episodes. Until next time, keep shining and being the amazing you that you are.